good afternoon to everyone, no? Good afternoon to everywhere. So today we have questions and answer portion, no? So I have 5 questions. So one of my friend here. So let's start and begin. Ding ding ding. So I have questions for you. The first question is, so when are you visiting or coming pumunta ka dito sa Dubai? I have one questions for you. Not only one, but I think it's 5 questions.
Okay, go.
So the first question is, when are you coming up? Punta ka dito, Tagalog lang, punta ka sa Dubai. When is that?
It's 2017.
So it's been like a while, no? It's been a long time.
I've been here for 3 years.
So this is
already.
your first time to work in Dubai, or how many?
Actually, it's my
company?
third company.
Third company, no? So kabayan din siya, no, from Manila. So I think you working in Philippines before, or
Yeah, yes.
okay. So in which part in Philippines?
In Manila, kasi city.
Okay, so other question. Wow. Question. Dili ka te. Other questions. Love life.
Love life.
Love life ti ha.
Wala, single. Ready to mingle.
Single siya. So no. When is that your first
First one.
first in love, or find your someone? Did you find someone here, or
Oo naman, syempre.
Oo.
We broke up last March na.
oo, nakakita daw siya ng isang happiness and joy of life, no? So third question, are you enjoying stay here in Dubai, or I think it's happy, no? It's very
Of course, yes. Kasi it's really more complicated talaga ngayon. But you have to be optimistic all the time.
Yeah.
Kasi
Exactly.
if you think that you have to be negative as always, so walang magagawa ang pagiging negative mo.
so
So be positive and happy and enjoy your life
yeah,
as always.
exactly. Don't be stressed and be happy. So even we have pandemic ngayon, no? So let's enjoy ourselves, no? Don't be like always negative, no? Be
Yes.
positive always, no?
Be
So
optimistic
always be
always.
happy to work if you have work, or just enjoy your life, no? Because life is short. So God created us. We must to be happy because life is beautiful.
Yes.
So the last questions, my dear. So when are we planning to go back to Philippines?
Actually, maybe next year pag wala ng pandemic. Pero nag-vacation ako for 10 days last February. So, pero hindi naman yung saya-saya or something. It's my material. So, wala lang. Nag-high hello lang sa Pilipinas. It's an emergency leave.
Okay.
Then, mabuti lang that time before mag-lockdown ang Dubai. So,
Nakabalik ka agad dito.
Yes.
So that's very good, no? That's good timing.
Yes, God.
Yeah, because a lot of Filipinos, mga kabayan natin, nagbakasyon, lockdown, hindi pa sila nakabalik sa iba-ibang bansa, no? So, let's pray and hope to our pandemic will normalize, no? For end of this year or next month, no? So because Dubai, it's starting receiving foreigners, workers going inside to Dubai to work again. So let's hope na maganda ang end of this year, no, to everyone and for the whole world, no. Let's pray and thank you for my short time, and let's
Spread the
enjoy.
love.
Yeah, spread the love and be positive always,
Yes.
no?
And be happy every seconds, every minute, and every hour of your life.
Yeah, that's a very good idea, no? So let's enjoy and be happy and thanks God na we still alive here, no? So and safe, no? So thank you so much for watching our YouTube
And
and
question and answer.
yeah, question and answer. No, in short, yeah, it's funny. But anyway, thank you for your watching my YouTube channel. Next time for the next vlog, no?
And if
So
you're
thank
not
you,
yet
thank you
subscribed,
so much.
just click
Yes,
below.
just click and comment and share to your friends.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you and God bless to everyone.